Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for every RV enthusiast. The 3-in-1 RVcare Slide-Out Silicone and Window and Track Dry Lube. This duo is designed to keep your RV running smoothly and quietly, whether you're on the road or parked at your favorite spot. Stick around as we uncover why this is hailed as the best 3-in-1 RV slide-out silicone lube on the market. Let's start with what you get in the package. It includes the RVcare Slide-Out Silicone Lube, an 11-ounce bottle, and the RVcare Window and Track Dry Lube, a 10-ounce bottle. These products are specially formulated to tackle different maintenance needs of your RV. First up, the Slide-Out Silicone Lube. This product is a game-changer for your slide-out mechanisms. It's not just about lubrication. It's about waterproofing and preventing rust and corrosion. Perfect for all types of slide-out setups, it ensures smooth operation and protects against the elements. Now, onto the Window and Track Dry Lube. Ever had trouble with sticky RV windows or doors? This quick-drying formula is your solution. It leaves a clear, protective film that reduces friction without attracting dirt. Your windows and tracks will glide effortlessly and silently, enhancing your overall RV experience. From a user's perspective, these products stand out for their ease of application. The permanent smart straw nozzle provides precise control, minimizing waste and mess. Whether you're a seasoned RV owner or new to maintenance tasks, using these lubes is straightforward and effective. So, why should you choose 3-in-1 RVcare? Beyond their individual benefits, these products are tailored for the unique demands of RV life. They're formulated to withstand varying weather conditions and extended use, ensuring your RV remains in top condition wherever your adventures take you. As we wrap up, it's clear why the 3-in-1 RVcare Slide-Out Silicone and Window and Track Dry Lube are highly regarded among RV enthusiasts. They deliver on their promises: reliability, durability, and ease of use. If you're looking to maintain your RV effortlessly, I highly recommend adding these to your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and RV tips. Until next time, happy travels and safe adventures.